Hey, what's up guys? Let's have another video. I will tell you how you add text on your videos from Movavi Video Editor. So this is Movavi Video Editor in front of you. You can see here. I can also see the version of this software. You can see here Movavi Video Editor 15.4.0. You can use here easily for their making videos. You can make easily these videos from this software. Okay, so let's start. Here is a title option. You go to their title option. You have so many categories here. You can see here all, favorites, featured, basic, artistics, intros, speech bubbles, my titles. These are so many subcategories you hear. This is your requirement if you need to for their project. You can choose from there any text templates for your videos. So if we use these filters, you can easily drag and drop there and play. This is amazing text making feature. You can add here text about their channels, about their any requirement or project. So here is a friendship. You can edit this text easily. So my channel is Bone Signal, so I will write here Bone Signal. This is amazing. You can see here this is a very amazing texture and with filters. This is amazing titles. You can add their videos and for channels. So I will add some photos. So apply, I will apply on the titles. So this is, you can see here, you can apply this text on their any videos. This is amazing. You can see here, this is your project when you can add text in their starting videos. Like amazing. You can see here, this is amazing text. You can add their videos in starting point. I will more adding you there. So I will delete from there. So many titles and intros and lower third you have choose from here. This is another amazing. This is amazing. You can see here, this is lower third. You can add easily in the starting point from their videos. You can add text here easily and change your channel. I will write here Bone Signal. This is amazing. You can see here, this is a lower third for your any video. You can add lower third in your all videos by using Movavi Video Editor. So I will add more, and you can see here there are so many titles and filters in this software. This is Movavi Video Editor software. You can choose it for their editing videos and making new videos. This is trendy circle. I will add this, just drag and drop here and just play. The perfect intro forever. Okay, you can see here, you can change anything, any word, any slogan and the title. So I will play again. This is amazing. You can make intro from this text. This is amazing intro for your videos. So you can add too many text with this here. This is your choice to choose text from here and apply their videos. I hope you understand these videos. Please like and share with your friends and subscribe our channel for watching latest videos about this software. Okay, take care. Bye bye.